Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Wednesday, June 17th. I want to look at Coeur Mining here. Now they just call it Coeur. I don't know what happened to Delane, but it used to be on there, so it's still on there for me. Anyway, listen, I am not looking at a few different things here. One thing I'm not looking at is this trend line here. Okay, that doesn't interest me. Another thing I'm not looking at is this little inverse head and shoulder pattern with the neckline being there. Okay, that doesn't interest me. Frankly, the reason it doesn't interest me, while it was very interesting back here, it's no longer interesting because that move has already run its course. I don't really care about that. What I care about is this. I care about this long squeeze, this prolonged squeeze. Not only the squeeze, but more importantly, the high velocity pop. Now, I think this stock's going higher. I think this really has some momentum. But the reason that I am featuring this here is because I want to take the other side of some guy's trade. And that guy, whoever that is somebody that Option Monster in their free email sent out yesterday. It said that somebody sold the July 6 calls for 20 cents, like 14,100 of them or something. So over 14,000 calls for 20 cents. That was apparently a big bet with the idea that this stock is not going to go up 26 cents between now and the end of July, and they're going to keep that 20 cents. I would personally rather buy from that guy than trade along with him. I don't think that's smart money. I just think that's committed money. The deal is this is a high volume, actually kind of a high velocity breakout too. You can see this thing. In the morning, rallied up, came back down. Oh, well, that's the end of that. Look at the volume there, and then suddenly, kaboom, this thing goes off. So my suggestion is, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not long this stock. I didn't see it. I didn't see it until I'm doing my the research for tonight's strategy session, and I wanted to put this out to everybody. I don't care if you're paying for it or not, because I'm going long this puppy first thing in the morning. I'm not going to buy the calls. The stock's less than $6. I'll just buy a bunch of stocks. So if you want to trade along with me, that's great. I personally think we're going to make some money. By the way, I'm going to be sending out a video soon. My brother will be ticked off when he hears me say this because he has absolutely no idea what I'm talking about. Someday in the not too distant future, I'm going to be sending out a video to you outlining all the things that I hate about trading, why I hate trading. I'm going to give you the video. We'll see if you feel the same way as I do. But there's a lot of reasons to hate trading, and I'm going to give them to you, so watch for that.